Have you ever come out to your car and you find that your rear dash camera or front dash camera just all of a sudden isn't mounted on the windshield? It fell off. It really sucks. And sometimes they end up just detaching and the 3M tape actually gives way. Well, I'm going to show you in this video how we recommend fixing this so that doesn't happen at all. And I purposely did this in my vehicle so that I can make this video explaining some of the things that we do here at Safe Drive Solutions that will help you to avoid this from happening. So step one, I'm going to use this blade right here. And you can see I'm just going to try and scrape it off, try and avoid any of the heater lines. And I'm going to use some antiseptic wipes as well in order to actually clean the surface. That helps kind of loosen it up. And I can take my blade again. You can see there. I'll take another antiseptic wipe just to fully clean the area. I want to make sure to get all the old 3M tape off. That way it's a nice clean area. And I'll take some paper towel. Just make sure to dry it. Step two, now we want to actually clean off the mount. And there's a couple different ways you can do that. You can use your finger and kind of roll over top to get it completely clean. As you can see there, sometimes you can get it rolled off pretty nicely. A lot of times I will actually just take an antiseptic wipe again, make sure to clean that surface. And you can either just let it dry and dissipate, or you can use paper towel again and just wipe it all down and make sure to get rid of everything that's in there. Step three, we use this adhesion promoter, this LLPT. We actually bought it off Amazon. And it's actually really good for promoting the adhesion of the 3M tape directly onto the camera. And you can use this for the front camera or rear camera. Obviously be careful with it. Like it says right on the label, extremely flammable and vapor. Keep away from fire and keep out of reach of children. So definitely be careful when using this. You literally can just take this out and apply it on. Take an extra piece of 3M tape. If you have a Viofo dash camera, typically there's an extra piece of 3M tape in the box. If not, just buy some 3M tape, from like a local retailer or from, an online store like Amazon, wherever you prefer. So as you can see, it's getting solid. So I'm going to go and stick the new 3M tape right there on the rear camera. So it's all nicely put on. The last step here is we're going to take the 3M tape off. So 3M tape's off, and then we're going to mount it on the rear window like so. Push on there, usually hold it for a few seconds, make sure it's, and then, so that's how you actually correct a dash camera that's been falling off the mount on the 3M tape, and put new 3M tape on there. And we find that this actually works a lot better than any of the other ways that we've attempted to remount dash cameras. And we've tried a lot of different ways, but this is by far the best. So hopefully that works. If you do have other ways that you've been doing this, please leave it down in the comments. We'd love to hear.